So today is December 11th, and I don't have to look at my phone to know that because today is move-in day. I move into my apartment today. Yeah, so I'm getting my stuff together. I'm like putting all my bags and my suitcases by the door so I can go ahead and go to the apartment complex. It's like 9:42 and they open at 10, so I'll be there after they open. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope y'all are excited for this vlog, this move-in day vlog, because I am. Got a new apartment. I'm gonna leave the floor away. We in a new place, y'all. Y'all, Ariana has housed me for over a month. Fed me, okay? Like, I'm just so appreciative. So we have cleaned and unpacked everything from the car. We cleaned the floors. I cleaned the floors, all the floors. I cleaned the bathroom. I still have some comments sitting in the tub in the bathroom. Let it marinate. Let it marinate. I unpacked any like little groceries I had, like just like some chips and stuff like that. And then this is gonna be my tea drawer. So I love tea. And then these are really good, like if your immune system, if you have issues with your immune system or you catch colds, these are good. So I have this flavor, the berry, that, and then 2 of the blood orange. So yeah, this is my tea section. And I have a coffee maker my mom is bringing, so I'm gonna put that over here. Nothing in here but my Dayquil and my honey for my tea. And then in here, it's just my cranberry juice, my water, my Capri Suns, and my apple juice. But other than that, like everything is pretty much unpacked. That's trash. I emptied this bag, everything that was in here. My hangers are coming with my mom. I don't think anything in here. Oh, I need my charger. Plug my phone up. Out of here. Okay, so that's that. And then let's cut these lights off. I'm gonna cut some of these lights off. Let's cut some of these lights off. All right, plug my phone up. But yeah, that's that. Say hey to the vlog, Crystal.
Hi, vlog.
Vlog.
Where's my phone?
So yeah, and then this is nothing is in there but some clothes I need to wash. And then this is more than likely not, hold on, let me plug my phone up first while I'm talking to y'all. But yeah, this is just like some other clothes that have to go up in my blanket. But I'm gonna get like a, y'all know those plastic bins that you can get from like Walmart, and I'm gonna put like little stuff like socks and stuff in the plastic bins like over here or something. And then again, like I told y'all, like the stuff that I reach for, like my comfortable clothes, like this kind of stuff, my t-shirts and all of that are gonna be over here, like, but it's gonna be color coordinated like how it is at my house. And up here right now I have like my sets, my sweatsuit sets, my sweatshirts, and then my hoodies, and yeah, like hoodies, and then my scarves, and then some masks up there. And then I have like jeans over here and 2 hats. And my microphone, I just got it sitting there for right now, because until they come with the desk, it's gonna go on the desk, but for right now it's just gonna sit there. So yeah, And I just got, those are the only shoes that I have here. I've been living out of those shoes and these shoes for the past month and a half. So yeah, I'm not set on like this staying like this, but we'll see. But I told y'all this is staying, like all the comfortable stuff, and then I have like some other stuff to like hang up. And then, oh, this is a good bonnet. If you all want to get a new bonnet, this is Scotch Bonnets by Danny. I featured them in a black business haul. It's reversible. It's orange and green. It's the FAMU version. But yeah, so this is other stuff that has to be like hung up and all of that, but I'm waiting on the hangers. So that's why that is just pushed in there, because when they come with the bed, I want them to just be able to like get it up. So I'm thinking like have the headboard in the center. Oh, the headboard in the center, and then get like a nightstand. That'll be cute. That'll be cute. So that is what we're dealing with right now. In a second, I'm plugging my phone up a little bit, but in a little while we'll go to Aubriana's house because there's nothing else for us to do here but stare at the walls. Yeah. So yeah, and get something to eat. Why did she move? This, don't want to pay that much for that, but I saw these online. I like these, but they have these in white as well. It feels comfortable. It feels comfortable. Is it nappable? I have to see if I can nap in things, but I feel like I can nap in this, but I don't want that gray color. I want white. Oh, there it is. That's it right there. I like that. But I also like this. But you can't like rest your arms on here though. That's the only thing. Okay, let's keep going. Alright y'all, I'm back. It's hello? Upstairs, I'll come down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's actually what I was about to talk about. I was about to say my family's still on the way, but they're here. Talk to you soon.
It's not sure what you call it, right?
But he do like oral surgery, period.
Yeah. They got you on medication?
Mattress.